Hello, good morning, all of you. My name is Manish Kumar, and today we are discuss the overview of the machine learning and the AI technology. This day, in the private sector and the government sector, there is a lot of the demand in the machine learning in the AI technology. All things are applied by the machine learning and the AI. Mostly, we can see in the markets. In India and outside of India, there is a lot of the demand of the machine learning and the AI technologies. Now we are talking about the machine learning. What do you mean about the machine learning? What is machine learning? Guys, we can talking about the machine learning is the word. We can train the machine based on the algorithm, based on the task. We can train the machine. We can implement the machine. It's basically it is called whatever it is called the machine learning is basically. So we can machine learning is the word. Machine learning is the route to train the machine, to train up the data, predict the result based on its algorithms. It is called what here machine learning as we are talking about. So machine learning and AI both are correlated together. Machine learning is not making the decision, it is the perform the task based on algorithm. So guys, we have writing here that all the software application to become more accurate and the predicting outcome without being explicitly programmed to do. So machine learning is the what? Machine learning is the basically algorithm used to historical data as the input and predict the new output results. It is a part of the we can say is the machine learning. This day in the market, there are the multiple uses of the machine learning in the market we can see here. First, we are discuss about the manufacturing side. We are talking about the manufacturing side. There's a demanded a lot of the demand in the manufacturing side. Another retail market and the life insurance. Another we are talking about the energy and the feedstock and the utilities. Financial services, travel and hospitals. These are the different uses of the machine learning in market these days. Now we are talking about the industries using which have the machine learning, such as we know the agriculture, education and infrastructure, healthcare, transport, banking, cybersecurity, manufacturing, entertainment, and the hospitalities. These are the use machine learning with the AI in the market these days. We are talking about the types of the machine learning. We can say there are the four types of the machine learning: supervised machine learning, unsupervised machine learning, semi-supervised machine learning, and the reinforced learning. We are talking about the what do you mean about the supervised machine learning? We know the supervised machine learning is the word. It depends upon the regression. Regression means the word to have the two axes x and x and y. X is the independent axis and y is the dependent axis. X and y both axes are coordinate together to generate the image is called the whatever is called the regression. And the supervised machine learning is the whatever it is a all data are the known data and all data are available in the picturized format data. It performs the task based on the algorithms to predict the result is called the supervised machine learning. In supervised machine learning, data is not available in the textual format. Data is not available in the unknown formats. So all data are known and the image based data and predict the result based on the algorithms is called the supervised machine learning. And guys, we are talking about the supervised machine learning is the basically divided into three blocks. One is we are talking about the here same is simple regression, multi regression, and the poly regression is the basically. And now we are talking unsupervised machine learning. Unsupervised learning meaning is what? The all data are unknown data. All data are unknown data which are available in the textual format data. And textual format data means the what? It is not available in the picturized format data. And these data perform the task to predict the result. Such kind of the learning is called the unsupervised machine learning. Unsupervised machine learning is basically implement on the 10 algorithm. Mostly we are talking about this one. One is the linear regression, logistic regression, decision tree regression, SBM algorithm, naive Bayes algorithms, KNL algorithms, random forecasting algorithm, and dimensity reduction algorithms. These are the different kinds of the algorithms we can use in the unsupervised machine learning, guys. Now we are talking about the supervised machine learning algorithm. One is the regression. Regression part is the linear, poly regression, lasso regressions. And the classification is the what? Logistic regression, linear, decremental, and analysis and naive Bayes. Another we are talking about the which have used in the regression and the classification is called the decision tree, K nearest algorithm, KNL algorithm, support vector machine algorithm, SVMs. These are the different kinds of the supervised machine learning algorithms. Now we can be talking about the key algorithm. In key algorithm, you can see here there are the two axes, two symbol. One is the this symbol, another is the other symbol. So here is the word. Where is the dimension? Is the word. It is divided of the data into two different section. Identify of data to different section, and which have the nearest data. Based on the nearest data to predict the results. Count the number of data to predict the result. Such type of the algorithm is called here KN algorithms. KN algorithms is the based on the your classification mainly, but commonly you are using the regression algorithms. Both are using, but it is depend upon the mostly it is used in the classification parts. It is a step of the algorithm. First, we are selecting the data which have matched the property, which have nearest data to select the data and to count the data based on the Euclidean distance algorithm formulas and the count the nearest of the data and to assign the data which have maximum data is available. Such type of these are the step of the your KN algorithms. We can see here P1 is the bad, P2 is bad, and P3 is good, and P4 is good. So I have calculated the this way. We can see this is diagram. P1 is the under root 16 is the value is the 4, and the P2 value is the 5, and P3 value is the 3, and the P4 value is the 3.60. So here 2 is a good and 2 is a bad. So what happens here? So third is the what here good. Last is the here I have mentioned here good. So you can see here it is the KL algorithm basically. Now we are talking about the AI. AI is the what? It is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the different thing versus of the machine learning. Machine learning predict the task based on the algorithm, but it doesn't take the decision. But we are talking the AI is making the decision based on the algorithms. Making the decision. It has own capability to take the decisions of the data. Now we are talking about the area of the AIs. Basically, we are talking about the area of AI is here. So we are talking about the area is here. First is the research of the new algorithms. Is the part of this one, automation part of this one, explanatory AI is so the sensor AI is so these are the different cases of the AI. Basically, we are talking about. Now we are talking about advantage of AI. We can see here. One is the reduction of the human errors, reduce the risk, 24 into 7 supports, perform the respective jobs, faster decision, new innovations, and the digital assistance. These are the advantages of the AI market in these days. Now we are talking about the types of AI. One is the narrow AI. Narrow AI is the weak AI if the capability, decision making capacity is less from the human beings of the machine is called the narrow AI. It is the weak AI. Another we are talking about the strong AI. A strong AI is the general intelligence. It is known as the artificial general intelligence. It is AGI. And it is the decision making is the parallel of the human being. Such kind of the AI is called the whatever is known as the artificial intelligence AI. It is a strong AI. And last is the powerful AI. Powerful AI is the word. It is a very strong decision making compared of the human beings. It is the powerful AI, and powerful AI is called here artificial super intelligence ASI. So these are the different three types of AI we are talking here. Now we are talking about decision G20 countries. This day in market economics is the very growth, high growth and we are talking about the in 2035. India is going in the fast tracks. So I have given the predict the chart base of the G20 countries. Though China is the top level here, and India is the second toppest in 2035. We are forecasting the result in G20. Now we are talking, it is the ranking of the AI is the basically. So AI is G20 is whatever. The G20 is the architecture to governments and it give the national economics issue, solve the economical issue. So is the top the we are this one. And the last is the India. We are discussed the here. So they are the 32 ranking position in the 181 nation in of India in all over the world. It is the ranking capability of the India in the G20 countries. So China is the top levels and India is going the second top best in 2035. So guys, we are talking about machine learning. AI is very important for everyone's, and there is a good package, good jobs, and inside of the India or outside of India in private sector and government sector. So all of you can learn the machine learning AI tools, and you can get the good package and good job in MNC. So my name is Manish Kumar, and I've just in closing this seminars, and we are talking about the my number is the here 892095969893. So if you have any requirement of the training of the AI and the machine learning, we can call and we can contact to me, and then we can get the online classes and in India and outside of India also. Thank you. Thank you. अब क्या करना होता है ना, प्ले करी तो करो ना प्ले, कहाँ से स्टॉप कर दिया मैंने, यहाँ से देखो देखो देखता हूँ मैं, एक मिनट कुछ तो लास्ट निकल रहा है।